So this used to be Miss Jackson's house. This new female moved in. You can tell it's a female. It doesn't have the horns. 3 horns on its head. But if you've seen my previous video of Miss Jackson's new hat, she used to live there. Spent a lot of time with her. Very sad to see her go. But that's the new one that's moved in. You can tell it's young because it's much smaller than Miss Jackson was. Welcome to Volcano Treehouse. Got some pretty neat things in here. This is really cool. This is a carving. Got a lizard on there, and yeah, check that out. That guy's got a runny nose. Just a beautiful Hawaiian lady. She does do the hula. Nice. Frogman. Some sleeping quarters. And the futon folds down into a bed. Pretty much a full kitchen. We also have a loft up here. You can just climb right up these stairs.